everybody, it's me, Miss Ebony V. Thank you so much for joining my channel today. So I have a fun video because I'm super excited to open this FabFitFun box. It is a box full of goodies. Look at this box. So this is a monthly actually, I take that back. It is a quarterly subscription. So you pay a quarterly amount and you get a box full of beauty goodies. I can't remember the price right now. I think when I first signed up, I had a 20% off discount, so it may have been about like $39.99, but I will leave all of the details in the description box below. So I'll make sure you have all that info. So this is now the new fall 2018 box. I had the summer box. I did not do, well actually I did a video on it, but I just didn't release it in a timely fashion. So I just said I'll just wait until I get the fall box and I'll do another video for the fall. So I'm excited to get this box. There were a lot of good goodies in the summer box also. So I can only expect the same in this fall box. So it comes, I'm just opening the box and you get a little magazine. And in this magazine, it's quite a bit. It actually has descriptions and prices for all of the potential things that could be in the box, because you don't get every single item that's in the magazine, but the list is so extensive that you are probably going to get most of the items in the box. So it has a lot of good things in here, some cooking videos, ideas, and some other beauty tips and brushes, and I mean, it's just a cute little magazine that has quite a bit of items in it. So, all right, also has this HelloFresh $50 gift card, which I honestly don't really plan to use, but that's okay. Let's see, what else is this? Oh, this is a coupon for a Luna bars. I don't really eat those either, but hey, maybe it'll make me try. I don't know. Maybe I'll be encouraged to try. Oh, so here is a good coupon for those who do not have a subscription. You can get $10 off your first box. So it'll actually be, I think that's what I had. So it'll be $39.99. I will leave this coupon code in the description box so that you're able to use it and get $10 off. Everybody likes a deal. Everybody likes a good deal. All right. I'm excited. I feel like it's my birthday all over again. My birthday was in August, but I feel like it's happening all over again. All right. Oh, they actually gave me a Luna bar so that I can try it. And then if I want to get another one, I can do so. So this is a Luna Rica salted caramel nut flavor, natural flavor. It's organic, chewy, butter-filled fruit and nut bar. I kind of like stuff like this, so I'm glad they put one in here, because I don't know if I would have went out and bought one on my own. So I'm glad that one is here so I can taste it first and then decide if I want to get another. So I thought there'd be like a little card of what's in here. Maybe that's what's all in the magazine, but normally I thought last time it was like a specific card of what was actually in my box. So maybe not this time. All right, so what is this? I have a Skin & Co. Aroma Blue and Capri Shower Gel and Gel Douche. Well, okay. With notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, autumn blossom. The Italian collection. So this is a shower gel and gel douche. You always got to smell it. Gotta smell everything. I'm going to take this seal off. I need to know what it smells like. I need to know what everything smells like, because that can make or break. If it doesn't smell good, she's not using it. Oh my God. It reminds me of, no lie, I'm not trying to be funny. It doesn't stink. It just reminds me of hair product. Like something I would wash my hair with. Like, oh, I can't even say. But, I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. I can't, oh, it's like a specific shampoo. Don't you hate that? I have so many shampoos. I can't even remember which one smells like this. Oh, that's gonna work my nerves. Okay, maybe I'll think of it. Moving on. A Cobra. Ooh. So these are a pair of wireless earbuds by Cobra. They're Bluetooth. I can't really see. I hope I'm in. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Why not? Baby, can you focus? Okay. It's Apple friendly. Oh no, that's not Apple. That's a lightning. I mean, mini USB. I thought it was a lightning cord. I got real excited, didn't I? I got real excited. I am an Apple user. So, okay, it goes around your neck. Okay, this is usable. I could use that for sure. All right, so what do I have next? Hollywood, California, Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. That was a lengthy name, wasn't it? Wait a minute. Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. That was a lengthy mask, but it's cute. It got the little Hollywood star. And I'll probably try this at a later time. I gotta get myself centered and focused here. I wonder, is it like one of those black peeling masks? I can't tell. So it has green tea. It works to reveal glowing, deeply purified skin in just 3 minutes. This bamboo yeah, it's that black one. This bamboo charcoal infused sheet mask activates an oxygenating and tingling 3D bubble experience. Okay, that instantly invigorates, detoxifies, and removes face makeup. I don't know if I would put that on my face full of makeup, but maybe it means the residue. Maybe it means residue makeup. So I got 2 of these in the box. Cool. All right, so I also have this cute little beauty blender, the original beauty blender. Cute. See, I think I got one of these last time, but it was pink, or like hot pink. This is like baby pink. I do remember getting this. I think I did. All right, so next is Pharmacy Dew, D-E-W, Do It All Total Eye Cream. Activated with cichoric acid. What does that say? A powerfully moisturizing eye cream to help minimize signs of aging, stress, and fatigue. Can never go wrong with that, because I trust when I tell you I'm trying to keep my youth. I need all my youth. You know, you start pushing 40, that youth start running away. I'm not 40 yet, but I still got a few years. Oh, I like the little, oh, look at that. Makes me think of, I'm in a spa. I'm in a sauna or something. Cutie patootie. Alright, gotta smell it. Salty. Well, you may be glad I'm smelling it. You might want to know what it smells like too. Is it scentless? Like, it has absolutely no scent. I mean, none. Like, it's on my nose. That's how hard I'm trying to smell it. It has no scent. That's a little, but maybe, I don't know. Some people like that. So if you like unscented products, then this is the one for you. Gotta get this off my nose. And I can't see, I don't even have a mirror. Just gonna pat that baby. I hope I get it. Did I get it? You can't tell me if I didn't. It's okay. Alright, so next I have Free from Skin Aging Toxins. You see how I paused to make sure I say this word correctly? And carcinogens. I think that's how you say that. And carcinogens. No parabens, no paraffins, no synthetic colors, no... I don't even know what it is yet. Grown Alchemist Hyper Repair Day Cream. Okay. So it's a lot of skin products. But maybe they go hand in hand. Maybe it's nice to try them together. Oh. Okay. Hydra Repair Day Cream. So I guess this is for daily use. It's the little tube it comes in. I'm gonna smell it. I gotta puncture it open. Hope I can get the scent. I can't smell it. Is this another unscented? I'm not much of a fan of the unscented. Like, I kind of like to smell my stuff. I'm sorry. I like to smell my products. So hopefully I can get a scent out of this. That's nice. Nice and citrusy. I like that. Okay, so that's a face cream. What do we have here? Simply Whimsical Homemade Pretty Towel. Let's just see. Is this like a kitchen towel? Yeah, I think they're kitchen towels. Yeah. Okay, yeah. You always run out of these. 2 kitchen towels. That's nice. Gave me something for the home instead of just all for me, you know, on my body. I appreciate that. 2 towels. 2 kitchen towels. All right, what's next? Alfred French Press Coffee Maker. For you strong coffee drinkers like myself, but I've never used a French press coffee maker. I've seen people use them, so I may be encouraged to try. I'm gonna take it out the box so you see what it looks like. Struggle game. My good strong muscle. Use my strong hand. Anybody know that reference? Sorry, I crack myself up sometimes. Oh, this is cute. Oh, look at that. I have never used one of these, so I'm a little excited to try. But I think it's cute. I think everything's cute, don't I? Everything is cute. Is this the last product? I'm about to be sad. No. And it's all over. You open your last gift and you're like, no, where's the rest? This is the last thing. The last item. So I don't know what this is. Vince Camuto. Alright, so I'm just going to open it and see what this is. Ooh, look at that. Fancy, fancy. It's like a professional little work bag. Oh, this is nice for traveling. I can carry my laptop in this on a plane. Give me a little quick carry-on. Nice. Very nice. That was all of the goodies in the box. And again, this box was only $39.99 every 3 months. So they do it by season. The last box was a summer box, so this is now the fall box. And hopefully next we'll get a winter box. But if you sign up, if you use the code that I'm going to put in the description box below, you'll only get it for $39.99. And get all these goodies every season. Well, I hope you enjoyed these products, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time.